Corey, you sound like you're having an absolute blast.
So much fucking fun. It was nothing personal. I'm just frustrated, flustered. Anchor, your lift smells like hydraulic fluid. Is it just not popping out? Oh yeah. So what was the issue? Yeah, it's BMW. No. Oh, fuck.
How many guys does it take to unplug a wire?
Apparently more than 2. Alright, so we got the short shifter installed inside. I just got it actually attached to the shift linkage. So basically all we have to do is get on the little D-clip and then we're good to go. It's all ready. Alright, so now we're in reverse. There we go. Oh, watch us snap back to neutral. Oh, that's amazing. There's first. Wham! Boom. There's second. Oh, we almost missed second. Oh, and there's. Then we hit third because we got a nice short shift there. Third. Wham! Then we go fourth. And the fifth. And there we go. Oh, you want to slam her into reverse? We got 2 boxes of parts, Steve. What do you think they are?
Oh, I'm hoping they're spacers.
Ooh, that'd be cool. Alright, so if you guys didn't know this, we have a sedan, BMW 1991 318i. They actually stopped making the carpet for the sedans quite a while ago, it seems like, because I called BMW, I called a couple German shops, and everyone has told me that I could f right off and that I'm not gonna find carpet for it. So what we did is we sent the carpet off to Stanley Steamer, and it's getting deep clean right now. And then we're just gonna dye it, because that seems like it would be fun, and it seems like something that we could get behind and like have some fun with. So we went to Americolor and got some one-step dye. He said that if we're going for an extreme color change, for example tan to black, it's probably going to take a couple coats. So we got enough to do a full room. That should cover 1,000 square feet, I believe, which is much bigger than the E30. So yeah, hopefully we'll have black carpet, and if it doesn't turn out as well as we think it will, we're just gonna figure something else out. Don't know how, don't know what, but we will, I promise you that. But hopefully, yeah, the black carpet should look pretty good. But this is the one I'm excited for. Would you look at that? Steering rack? Steering rack. Hey. Yeah.
Beedoo.
So, the E30 has 4 turns to lock, which means that you have to turn the steering wheel 4 times. Go from one end to the other. This one drops that down from 4 to 2.7. Alec Martini has a toothache, so don't expect a lot out of him, but we're gonna do our best. We got presents.
You have to catch me filming when I'm about to get a tooth ripped out. I promise I'm excited. I promise I'm excited.
So what this does is this takes our E30 from 4 turns to lock to 2.7.
Seems awfully rally-y.
Yeah, so it's more auto-XY than rally.
You ever installed this before?
Yeah. It's not fun. So what you have to do is, like, there's a hole right now coming through the firewall, and the steering rack comes through. But like when you put this in, that hole needs to go to down here. So like you need to cut through the firewall and stuff and rip the steering wheel out. It's a grand old time.
I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you. We got a box.
Oh my god.
It sounds metallic. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Give you a clue.
Is it a crib for you?
Whoa! Whoa!
Wow.
Shots fired.
Wow. Magnaflow exhaust.
Woo!
It's so
Can't get over
teeny.
that.
Yeah, it really is very tiny.
Cool, but where's the rest of it?
Yeah, this is the whole thing.
Where's the rest of it?
Well, you know when your wingspan reaches from the front to the back of the car? This is really all you get.
I just feel like there's a third piece that should be there, you know?
Banker, our exhaust is here. And the whole thing fit in this box.
Orange string pipe. Wow, is it do-it-yourself kit?
It's a two-piece kit.
Wow, look at that thing.
Wow.
It's not a full exhaust.
Why the hell are you putting a cat on?
That's the muffler.
Is it?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I hope it is, because we ordered like a cat back.
Oh, I hope it is. That's definitely a cat. That's not a muffler, so
That's
here.
a cat and back.
Here you go.
That's a
Well?
to the cat.
Are you
It's literally
sure?
a header and a cat.
You can see it. It's tiny.
Well, this isn't a header.
You know the exhaust that we just got in?
Yeah.
What does that look like?
The exhaust we just got in.
Also, what part of the exhaust that we just got in does that look like?
The cat.
No, this is bigger though. F off.
Yeah, okay, but the
But we got a high performance cat. Shut the f up.
But we still got a stock muffler. Shut up.
We're gonna fix that. You shut the f up.
I knew it looked wrong.
Yeah, well, it was. So you just f off, Gels.
All right.
Do it in Illustrator.
Yes, you could. That's what everyone does. That's how they do their car renderings, that they can blow up as a poster then make stickers out of.
For you? Yeah, well, if you were doing like a
Come take a walk.
But I mean, I could blow up the image as big as I wanted.
All right, now what?
Just shift. No, yeah, that's gear. Yeah.
Oh yeah! That's like a race car.
Yeah.
So when's this getting? Because you're doing that too, aren't you?
Yeah. So because this week is Thanksgiving.
What am I pointing at? You don't even know. You don't even know what I'm talking about. Top YouTube.
Top secret.
So yeah, we don't have time to do that this week because I'll be in Chicago Wednesday. No, I'll be here Wednesday. Thursday and Friday I'll be in Chicago. 5 miles an hour.
So what happens when we get all these parts that are gonna make it potentially feel fast? Will it go fast?
So that's where I need the viewers to come in. Viewers. So we've kind of hit.
What did you do to the door handle?
Oh yeah, that's broken.
It's been like that since day one.
Yeah, we gotta have. I want to have Jake make us metal door handles. I think that'd be wicked cool. But we've kind of run out of money. So if you, the viewers, could share this video with your friends, get more people watching it, that'll be really cool. Because Alex said if I can get more than 13,000 people to watch this video, that he'll give us some more money. And
I told you to throw it.
I have thrown it away. I threw it away.
Where's the garbage?
Right there, right behind Steve. But anyways, like I was saying, Alex said he'll give us more money if I could get this thing above 13,000 views per week. And I really want to throw a supercharged M3 motor in here. Or an LS. I'm not opposed to anything. I just want to motor swap it, but we can't because we're out of money, so I need you guys to help me out. Please. Got it.